3 surprising things that make a man going to miss you. Number 1. Stop texting him. When you miss someone, you feel those butterflies in your stomach, and all you feel like doing is waiting for him to come online and text you. And the moment he texts you, BAM, you reply in seconds. Or he never texts you first, but you are always initiating texts. Men tend to lose interest in women who are readily available to them. So, one of the simplest psychological tricks that will make him miss you is to create some distance and let him do the chasing. You need to make him miss you over text by reducing your texts to him. Once you stop texting him, it will make him wonder what's happening and he will start to miss your texts. Number 2. The waiting game. When should a man text after a date? According to dating metrics, 15% of men get in touch first on the same night after connecting with someone and 49% of men get in touch the night after. This is because of the waiting game. They don't want to show that they are missing you already and hence wait for a day or 2 to get in touch. In this strategy lies the answer to how to make him miss you. This same trick can be applied by women. Make him wait for you to respond. Make him miss you to get him to call you back. If you are thinking, should I wait or should I text him? Our advice to you would be to wait a bit. The rule is to make him wait twice as long as he took to respond to your text or call. Number 3. Always be the first one to hang up. Whether you're trying to make a man miss you in a long-distance relationship or someone you went on a date with 4 hours ago, showing that you're not desperate for his attention can work wonders. The laws of attraction work wonder when you play hard to get. Be the first person to say goodbye or good night over text or call. Show him that you aren't dying to talk to him endlessly. Hanging up first will add to your mysterious aura, and he will feel that there's still a lot more to you. It will make him chase you to know more. Ignoring someone you are attracted to may not be easy, but it is a surefire way to keep him interested. Thank you for watching.